So whenever you learn a skill, start using that skill, start implementing that skill, because without implementation of that skill is useless. So like start doing something, because you know um, there's like two things, like um, you make a plan, okay, like listen to me. You make a plan, and if you do not take action, like that plan is never going to be implemented, right? So if your plan is to become successful, or if your plan is to make money, so you make a plan for that, okay, but if you do not take any actions for it, like that is not going to be accomplished, right? So like to accomplish that, you need to take actions, and that's it. Now there's a like easy peasy thing, which you need to understand, and which you understand properly, which is if you have something planned, or if you have learned any skill or anything, you just need to take actions, and take actions unless you get results. That's it. Consistency and patience. You learn a skill, you start implementing that skill, which is an action, and you become consistent, and you just have to become patience. That's it. And like you like it's a cheat code, it's a cheat code, like to achieve anything, like anything you have desired, anything you want.